We just bought an oceanfront short-term rental property.
But the problem is, we hate it.
We hate it now, we should say. So join us as we completely transform this outdated condo into a stunning oceanfront getaway.
Oceanfront condos might have more potential than you think. But of course, the thought of renovating one can be daunting.
We've renovated in the past, but after we had Hudson, we didn't have the time, the money, or the desire to do it again, until now.
So first, why don't we take you through the condo as it is now and tell you about some of the main issues we have with it.
Besides the other obvious cosmetic changes we're gonna make, these are the bigger projects that we plan to take on.
So one of the things that we hate most about the condo's layout is this kitchen. It is so tight and confining and closed in. First of all, look at this fridge here. You have a door halfway behind the fridge. That doesn't look good, doesn't make any sense, not functional. Then you have this beautiful HVAC unit that you can just see from anywhere in the condo. That doesn't look very good. And guess what's hiding behind the fridge here? It's actually a washer and dryer, but how can you do laundry with this much space? It is crazy. So, and it's turned this way. So that doesn't make any sense at all. And I can't even get out of here. Plus, this peninsula comes around here, so you feel very confined and tight in between. It's just not a very functional kitchen. It doesn't make sense for the laundry room. So we're gonna rip this whole thing out, start again with a layout that makes more sense. Another thing that we don't like about the functionality of this condo is the bathroom. So come take a look. Oh wait, you can't come take a look because the doors hit each other. It's insane. Every single person that we've taken to see this condo has done the exact same thing. It's a nightmare. It doesn't make any sense. So I think I just hurt my back doing that. But we're gonna take this whole door out. So this is gonna be gone. We're gonna put a pocket door here instead, so you'll have access from the bedroom. It'll make so much more sense for layout, and nobody's gonna deal with what I just did. So we're in the bedroom now, showing you why the door wouldn't open, because you have this other door here that always usually is left open. We're still gonna have this door. We're gonna change it out, of course, as a big heater, and then we're going to eliminate that door so it'll just be this nice, smooth, flowing walkway. We're now in the master bathroom, and the thing that I'm not crazy about this one is the tub is completely messed up. So we were thinking about maybe keeping this tub. We could certainly just put a coat over it. That would be fine. That would make sense. But what we're gonna do, since we know we wanna fix that anyway, is we're gonna just take the whole thing out, and we're gonna put in a nice tiled walk-in shower, which is fitting of the main bedroom suite.
So now that you know the projects that we're going to tackle, we need to select our vendors and design options.
Stay tuned for that, as you don't want to miss out on the selection process and see what vendors in town made the cut.
Be sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel.